Hello all. We are going to view status display page parameters. Up to 8 different type of status elements can be added to status display page. Description of page can be written here, and it will be shown on top left of the page and navigation page. Page icon can be selected, and it will be shown on navigation page. Up to 8 status elements can be selected. First status item will be shown at the top as main item. An icon can be selected for status item, and it is possible to name it. Data point type can be selected from list. These are 2-byte unsigned, 2-byte float, 4-byte signed, and 4-byte float. Unit of status item can be written according to display item. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.